Do you know what? You're the awesome. You can speak fluently on the stage and any peoples. But you need to understand these 2-3 concepts. That's it. Not more than that. So in this video we can talk about it, how we can master over the speaking over the stage, over peoples. And the thing is that when you go on the stage, you're likely to find you forgot your script. Maybe when you're talking with peoples who are at authority peoples, are at authority one, you still forgot a lot of stuff because you are so nervous and curious about this stuff, isn't it? So what we can do in this perspective, that we can enhance it. The first thing is that you need to understand yourself first. And while going on the stage, you are not speaking anything bad. Make yourself realize that you are doing something great. You are doing something good. Because when your mind drag into the, 1,000 peoples, or maybe 100 ones, so you feel that you're doing something bad, or your mind starts fearing that what happen if I say something bad, because it ruins my personality, isn't it? And the same in the case of authority. When you're talking with people who are authority level, still your mind thinks, what happen if I say something bad? My personality gonna bad, isn't it? So what we can do in this sector, how we can improve it? One thing is that make sure you realize that you are not doing anything bad. It's not a trip, it's a reality of the life. When you truly believe in yourself, you are on the stage, so you are already being yourself. Being yourself, you just need to believe in yourself. I see a lot of people, they said, I'm myself, I'm this and that. But after a certain period of time, when the time comes, they don't believe in themselves. So until and unless you don't believe in yourself, you're not able to being yourself. So that's one step that you need to understand. Second thing is that getting into the flow state. Now what is the meaning of flow state and how you can master it? See, it's only one thing that separates your good speaker to the bad ones, right? And that is flow state. If I'm talking this speech right now, I'm in a flow state talking over this into relevant topics, okay? But when I start thinking something, in fact when I start thinking about this topic, what I'm going to speak, I'm not in a flow state. You observe that when you are communicating with your friends and family, you are in a flow state because now your mind don't need any kind of script. It just starts speaking and speaking over it. It all stores in there. Okay, there's a small thought is here, and because of that single thought, you came up around 1,000 sentences. So getting the flow state simple, that while speaking or before the speaking, don't think over the topic again and again. If you really want to get in the flow state, just think about the, highlight that what you need to speak into it. Just like in a paragraph, when you're going into school, there is some point given to you, and you are able to, and you're supposed to write thousands of words of paragraph into it, right? Maybe not the thousands, but the few hundred words. So in this perspective, you are in a flow state. So that's the second thing you need to understand. And third thing is that is very essential, that when you go on the stage, when you are with people and you're talking about yourself or something else, make sure that whatever you're talking about, you have the knowledge about it. That's it. So these 3 concepts you need to understand to speak anywhere, anytime, fluently. The first one is you need to believe in yourself. Second thing is that you need to master your flow state, and for that you don't need to think over the topic before the speaking or after the speaking or while speaking the topic. Make sure don't do this. Okay, so follow the second step, that is very crucial. Second thing is that whatever you are talking about it, make sure that you have the knowledge about the stuff. Not a limited, but a more than limited knowledge, right? Because when it comes to speaking, if you are more likely to understand the stuff very well, so you speak very well. But if you learn the stuff, I don't think so you are able to speak, because when you forget the point, you're not able to come up with your own points. And when you're not come up with your own points, it's useless. Believe in yourself for being yourself. Meet you next one. Stay healthy, stay happy.